Came in this cute little thing, gift box. I know English. Do I seem short in this video, or is it just me? Do I have a little bit of a gap right here? Should I sit on a pillow? I don't. What the fuck? Hey guys, it's Hailey, Sani. Welcome back to my channel. I'm finally in Los Angeles. Kind of sad about it, not gonna lie. Vacation was really lit this year. We're back in my good old room and with a shit ton of packages because while I was gone, I received so much PR. It's kind of insane. Like if you guys saw my Instagram story, there was literally a mountain of packages. This is just like 1/3 of everything that I feel like, you know, would fit in this video. I'm putting everything else in a different video because if I didn't, this would be like a 5-hour video. If you guys like these types of videos, make sure you subscribe. I do them pretty often. It like feels like Christmas right now because there's just so much stuff I'm about to open and I'm really excited for it. So let's get started. The smallest package in this video. It's from Decay. So this is their new all-nighter long-wear mattifying weightless setting powder. So I'm guessing it's basically what their all-nighter spray does, but in powder form. It just looks like that. I'm excited to try this out and use it in a video. I'll let you guys know if I like it, obviously. Thank you, Decay. This one's really heavy. Okay, so this is from a brand called LONDONTOWN. I've never heard of them. I believe it's nail polish. Sorry if the angle changed, I just had to readjust my camera, but basically they sent me a bunch of these really pretty nail polishes, and then they also sent me like top coats, nail hardener, base color. That's really interesting. My nails always chip, so I really want to try out a nail hardener. So I'm excited for this. Thank you, LONDONTOWN, for all these really amazing nail products. There's a second box in the package that I just realized. It's a little mug and it says, "Hello, gorgeous." Okay, this is really cute. Thank you. I'm gonna have like morning tea in this. Comment down below if you're a tea person or a coffee person. Pop Beauty. Let's see what they got for me. This is a really cute bag. It's very trippy. Okay, so they just sent me a bunch of lippies and it says they're metallic lip stains, which sounds interesting, so I'm gonna open one. So it looks like that, and then like really smooth and then really glossy. Definitely feels like something you would put over like a lip product just to make it more sparkly. That's exciting. Thank you, Pop Beauty. I'm excited to try these out in makeup tutorials and such. I swear these videos are like workouts because me trying to open these boxes is actually the most ridiculous thing. Like I'm so weak when it comes to opening these boxes. Glam Glow, girl, what did you do? I've never seen this product ever. So I have a love and hate relationship with Glam Glow just because some of their products I'm allergic to, so when I put it on my face it burns, and then some of their products I put it on my face and it just feels amazing. So it's kind of like a hit and miss with me for some of their products. Like their clay mask, for example, like the really famous one, just doesn't work for me. I literally can't even keep it on my face for more than a minute just because it just hurts so much. And I know so many other people that like have the same issue. But then like their overnight duo mask just works wonders on my skin. So kind of just depends. But this is their 60-second pore refining treatment. I like that. Interesting packaging. Kind of looks like a sand watch. Packaging wise, very cute. I really like the yellow. I like that you're only supposed to have it on for 60 seconds. I'm really excited to try this. Thank you, Glam Glow. I will be using this, and if I like it, you'll see it in the skincare favorites or something like that. Moving on. That's a lot of product. Okay. This is from a brand called NatureLab, and they look like hair products. They sent me a lot, and I'm living for this packaging. I like that it's like NatureLab. This is like conditioner, shine smooth. Let's see what else we have. I'm really digging this packaging. It's so like aesthetically pleasing. They're both shampoos. Blowout lotion, oil mist. Oh my God, hair oil. Wait, I am really living for these. Okay, I love trying out new hair products. Since I have been dyeing my hair recently, I've kind of needed that like little boost in my hair care routine just because, you know, I don't want it to be dead. And currently I'm using the Way shampoo and conditioner, and TBH, don't know how I feel about it. So I'm gonna use these, and they're also cruelty free. Thank you guys. I'm gonna link everything I can in the description. Let's see what their price point is. 83% of consumers report a visible improvement in smoothness and frizz. Okay, I dig that. And then, oh, it doesn't seem that expensive. So like this is $14, which is pretty good. Urban Decay. Whoever put me on their PR list, I love you. It's probably my manager, Jake. Jake, you're a real one. Always looking out for me, stocking in my makeup drawers. Born to Run collection. Let's see what we have. I like this. Let's break it down. It comes with 3 lipsticks. These kind of remind me of like the Sephora lipstick line that they came out with, like Sephora's own line. Pretty. Ooh, I really like the consistency. That just went on so smoothly. I love that. 3 of their Glide On pencils. An all-nighter setting spray, which you can never have too much all-nighter setting spray. You know, you can just put it on all night. And then this eyeshadow palette. Ooh, that's really pretty. That's what the packaging looks like. And then, wow, that's a lot of colors. And they're all so pretty. Love that for us. Thank you, Urban Decay. You guys really killed it with this collection. It's from a brand called Amika. And the note on it says, "Hi Hailey, be a vandal with Amika. Spray this paint on the canvas only, not for hair or body." Are these art supplies? I'm confused. Okay, so we've got this little package, and then it comes with 3 bottles of spray paint, and it literally says not for use on hair or body. Oh! And then it comes with a canvas. This is an art project. They just sent me art supplies. Honestly, love that. This is great. Are they normally a hair company? I don't know, but Amika, you got my art supplies covered. Let's try this. What? Why would I do it there? I'm just stupid. Okay, I shouldn't do this on my bed where there's white bedding because it's pink right now. There's also a volume powder spray in the box. So I'm guessing they are a hair care company. Oh my god, this is such cute packaging. I love that. I don't know what a volume powder spray is. I just did something. Did you just see that? I like that. Thank you for the spray paint. Love the canvas. My mom's gonna kill me. Too Faced. Like always, their box is really cute. Came in this cute little baggie. What does it say on it? Too Faced Pop Suki. Oh my god, like why is everything just so cute with them? It says Hailey on it. Oh my god, literally my Too Faced fam is the best. Better Than Sex mascara. That was really cute. You guys literally made a bag with my name on it so you could send me the Better Than Sex mascara. Like, I love you guys. Like, thank you. I really appreciate this. I'm gonna use this a lot. Even this is cute. Like, I'll use this. Do you know me? I'll use this too. I see pink bubble wrap. Oh my god, it's the same brand. It's the same brand. You had me at that guy. New foam. I'm so confused, dude. Like, I want to be excited, but what is that? What is happening here? I don't know what this is. Thank you guys. If you guys know what this is, leave it in the comments. Maybe like some other beauty guru, like, I don't know, showed it on Instagram. Too Faced. Back at it. I love them. Again, cute little box. Melted metallics. Ooh, so pretty, like always. They sent me their whole collection. I want to give some of them away, even though they all look really, really beautiful. Like, look at this range of colors right here. So pretty, and I love the formula of this line. Like, I have a bunch of their products, but I do want to give some of them away. So to enter, all you have to do is subscribe, follow me on Instagram. It's gonna be right here, and just comment down below anything, and then you'll automatically be entered, and I'll announce the winner in the description box of my next video. This is in the shade Breakup Makeup. Looks like that. I'm like bad at doing. Thank you guys. It smells really good. It smells like cupcakes. Too Faced literally has the key to my heart. Like, you guys are so cute. A big package. It's funny, it says it's from Style Hall, and I don't work with them anymore, but they still send me stuff, so I'm not gonna complain. Like, nobody tell them. We are so thrilled you were able to stop by our BeautyCon prep nail event at Olive and June Salon. That was like a year ago. Oh my goodness. They sent me so much nails. Just so many nails. Nails on nail brushes, nail kit. It's a daily keratin treatment for your nails, which I'm really excited about. Anything that's like nail health or whatever related. This one's a surface enhancer. You see, like, I like that. My nails are about to be so fire. Thank you, C&D Beauty. Did I already mention that? Ooh, we've got some lotion. Oh my God, what is this? Bath salts, and then of course more nail polishes. It's called like Vinyl Luxe, and then when I got my nails done at their salon, like they put a lot of like thought into the formula of their nail polishes. I remember my nail polishes lasting for a really long amount of time and making my nails like hard. So when your nails are hard, like it's harder for them to break and like chip and stuff. Thank you guys. Glam Glow. That's a lot of masks. They're each like $50, so that's literally $300 right there. Thank y'all. I want to try them out, see which ones actually work for my skin, because I know some of them don't. But yeah, I've really been wanting to try this one actually. Hydrating treatment, the blue one. I've heard a lot about that one. It's honey apple hyaluronic acid. I just love that, you know? Hyaluronic acid just trips you out, dude. Thank you guys. I already opened this one before the video. Sorry about that. So we've got this really sleek packaging. It says After All. It's from shophush.com. After hours, after charge, after glow. Shut up. These colors are actually beautiful. I've never heard of this brand, but like I'm really digging it. I'm really bad at swashing things on my wrist, but that's really pretty. Ah, this is so beautiful. Look at those colors. What? This is so nice. I think I really just like the way the palettes really coordinate. Like all these colors would go so well together. The box said shophush.com, so I guess you could like go on the website and then they would have that brand. Okay, we're at the last one. It's a Too Faced package. Oh my God, and it's so heavy, dude. This package is huge. Like always, I could fit in it. Pretty girls. Why is it so heavy? Shut up, dude. No. That's a lot of foundation. Whenever I get packages like this where like I'm gonna end up picking one foundation, maybe two, you know, at best, I like to donate the rest to like the women's center. But I just think that's nice because, you know, I don't want to waste all this makeup. And I think it's really nice that, you know, this is a lot of foundations and I really like the color range. It's so generous of them that they're like nice enough to send me every shade just so, you know, I can pick out the one that's mine. But this is just crazy. Like, we teamed up with beauty and style influencer makeup artist Jackie Aina to create the perfect shade range for all skin tones to help everyone look and feel their most beautiful. 35 shades in here. And then, of course, Born This Way powders. I love it. Too Faced. You always blow my mind away. Like, you guys are just amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you enter the giveaway, of course. You guys are the best. Thanks for supporting me throughout all these years and, you know, making this possible for me, like I always say. That's really thoughtful of you. And I'll see you guys in my next PR package unboxing. So if you want to see that, subscribe. Bye guys, I love you so much all the way to Pluto and back.